Good day to each and everyone. I am Harold Ray Cabardilla, a BS Criminology student, and my topic is Chapter 4, The Nature of Logic. The nature of logic has five topics: the etymology, definition, material object, formal object, is logic, and art. So we will first tackle the etymology. Etymology. The actual name of logic was introduced by Zeno the Stoic, coming from the Greek word logeti. It would etymologically denote treatise on pertaining to thought. So logic was introduced by Zeno the Stoic, coming from the word logeki or logaiki. So, maura na itong hinumduman. Logic was introduced by Zeno the Stoic, then coming from the word logeki. Maura na ang sud sa etymology. Then, definition. Logic is commonly defined as a philosophical science of correct reasoning or inferential thinking. We can phrase this saying, it is the science of correct and certain inference, reasoning, and thinking in the common definition do not refer to the act of the mind proper, but to the mental product thereof, namely syllogistic argument. This syllogistic argument in this correct and valid form certainly is called demonstration. Hence, we can also say that logic is a science of demonstration. So, in a more detailed manner, we may say that logic is a science of laws and patterns of certain inference. As a science, logic is a comprehensive system of information. So, in a more detailed manner, we may say that logic is a science of laws. So, logic is a science of laws and patterns. As a logic is a comprehensive system. So, logic, kailangan nato og kanang mas deep nga comprehension para makatubag or makatubag or makastorya ta in a logical way. Dili kay magpataka ra tao istorya. Then, dili ka sa material object. By the material object of a science, we understand the items or things that science covers in its study. Example, numbers in case of arithmetic. The material object of logic is conceptual structures like propositions and syllogism. So, a material object is what we call syllogism, as an instance of a form of reasoning in which a conclusion is drawn. So, dili pwede magbitso-bitso lang og kanang istorya kay naatay magamit ta og arithmetic, then syllogism. Ang meaning sa syllogism is an instance of a form of reasoning in which a conclusion is drawn. So, dili pwede magpataka og hatag og result kay maghimo og conclusion as drawn. So, let's come to formal object. So, formal object, by the formal object of a science, we understand the primary object of its study or consideration by reason of which the science discuss the different items that fall under its study. The for operation of function of number in the case of arithmetic. In the case of logic, the formal object is the inferential function of concept and proposition. Logic views conceptual in their function as major, minor, and middle terms. So, ang logic view concept and their function na siya major, na ay minor, and middle terms. And propositions as major and minor premises of an inferential conceptual structure, which is the syllogism such inferential function. So when we say inferential function, learns that what current output is based on the example you provide. Okay. Then it is to be noted that the said inferential function are not actual relations as may be found in the terms and premises of existing syllogism, but they are more likely relations that proper tools and implementation have with regards to a thing to be made. The modern experience of objects matter does not discriminate between the material and the formal object but covers them. Thus, in this case, arithmetic, the subject matter is numbers and the four fundamental operation of function. In the case of logic and subject matter is term and propositions and their inferential function. So, ngarita sa is a logic and art. Properly, logic is a science, since it is essentially a rational system that demonstrates its conclusion. It aims to give the know why or correct and valid inference from its causes. However, virtually logic is an art, inasmuch as laws and patterns of valid inference, which is established, serves to help reason produce with order case and with error in the acts of inferential thinking. Thus, logic also affords the know-how to proceed in the matter of correct and valid inference. As an art, logic teaches us mechanics of correct and valid inference. Logic is one of the fundamental liberal art which in ancient time constituted the basis for higher education and was a privilege of a free man. Hence, the designation liberal of logic, St. Thomas says it is an art that is directive of the act of reason whereby man in the act itself of reason may produce with order, case, and without error. This art is rationally science. It is designated rationally from the nature of its subject matter. So, ang pangutan din sa 18 is logic and art. So, according to St. Thomas, it is an art that is directive of the act of reason. So, according to St. Thomas, logic is an art. So, that's all, and Thank you for listening